Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals. Happy Father's Day!
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Hey Uncle, I'd like to make something for my dad for Father's Day. Any ideas?
I do have an idea. How about smash burgers?
Oh my gosh, he loves those.
Carolina style smash burgers.
Okay.
All
Let's do
right,
it.
sound good?
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Watch how we do this. All right, Savannah, let's get started.
Okay.
So we'll start. I'm gonna patty up a small amount of ground beef.
Okay.
All right. We are smashing them, so we don't want them real tight. We want them nice and loose.
Make it easy to smash.
Yeah, make it easy. Just like so. All right, we're only going to do 4 this time.
Okay.
All right. So I think that,
Looks good.
yeah, I think it looks pretty good. They're loose, so you don't have to get them real tight.
Yeah, don't compact them.
No, not at all. Not like when you're making a regular hamburger and all that. You
Yeah.
don't, because we actually want these to smash. We want them to get nice and crispy.
An easy smash. You don't have to
Yeah,
fight
an easy
it or
smash.
anything.
Yeah, we don't want to fight it. We don't want it too dense.
Okay.
All right, so when we come back, we will have our grill heated and getting closer to eat.
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, we're going to make our smash burgers on our griddle.
Okay.
I've got it preheating to about 375.
Okay.
All right. Get some butter on it. Yeah.
All right.
Let's see if it's hot. Oh, yeah, it's hot.
Oh, you're losing it.
Uh-oh.
I think it's hot.
I think it's hot. Now, this does get a little messy, but that's okay because Aunt Tracy will do all our cleanup for us. All right. So why don't you go ahead and put our burgers on?
Alright.
There you go.
Is that good?
Yep. And you want to space them out on the griddle so that we have room to smash them. This will make them nice and thin. Perfect.
Okay.
All right. So I like to take our parchment paper, put it between our spatula so that the burger doesn't stick, and that way we're able to smash them nice and thin.
Okay.
All right. Let's do our first one.
Yeah.
All right. So here we go. We get it in the butter. And push down.
That makes it easier.
It does. It does when you push it down. You'll hold it for about 10 seconds, so that way it doesn't bounce back up.
Okay.
All right? Want to do one?
Sure.
All right. Take this off.
Yeah.
Till it gets hot. Look how flat that is. There you go.
Okay.
Your parchment paper. And smash away. Keep smashing. Gotta get them flat.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Very good. All right. So let's do the other 2. Good. A little bit harder. There we go. All right. And we'll do the last one. We'll do that one together as well. How about that?
Yeah, that'll work. Don't tip the griddle.
Did you do what?
Don't tip the griddle.
No, don't tip the griddle. That'll make a bigger mess for Aunt Tracy. Okay. Look how flat.
How do we
Looks
know
good.
when they're done?
Well, we're going to cook them for about a minute or so on each side, let it get nice and crispy. But what I like to do is add some salt and pepper. We're going to use seasoned salt. Now you add the seasoned salt.
How
There
much?
you go. Just sprinkle it around. There you go. Now I have our chili heating on the stove. We have our coleslaw in the fridge.
Okay.
And that's what makes them Carolina style smash burgers.
Alright.
Yeah, but we won't bring any of that out till we're all done here. Now they cook pretty fast, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, let's flip them.
Not like regular burgers that take a
No,
while.
not like regular burgers. Oh yeah,
That looks delicious.
that does look delicious. Now, they're cooking fast. So what we're going to do is put our buns on the grill and toast them up. So we've got a lot of butter here. Can you get our butter? Yeah, go ahead and get them.
I'm on your right.
Okay, and just go ahead and sit them down on the grill. Perfect. That'll give them a nice little toast, and the extra butter doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
All right, top with American cheese. American cheese.
American cheese.
Well, American cheese. We love American cheese.
I see 4 patties in 2 buns.
You do.
Why?
We're making double
Okay.
smash burgers. Yeah, because they're kind of thin. They're not real
Yeah.
thick.
2 together makes one regular size burger.
Sometimes I've actually made it triple. Yeah, I know.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it is good. But
Perfect. for me.
probably too much. Oh yeah, your dad would love a triple. You see how fast the cheese is melting? I mean, they're just very thin. There we go. One finished. Check our rolls. Oh, look at that. Oh, the rolls are looking good.
You want to take them off?
No, leave them go. Let me get a plate. Oh, we have a plate right here.
Yep.
Yeah, we have a plate here for the rolls.
Definitely very hot, so be careful.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. That looks good. Okay, so we'll take off our rolls. How long do you think it took those to cook?
Couple minutes.
Yeah, I mean,
Not very long.
very fast.
Why don't you show them the buns?
Look how toasted. Look nice?
Yeah.
All right.
Now
Want to hold
put-
this?
Sure.
And I will put the burgers on.
Can you switch things?
Okay.
This smells so good.
They do. And they look pretty good too.
Yes, they do. Covered in cheese.
All right. Well, show them. Smash burgers.
Smash burgers.
All right, I will get our coleslaw and our chili, and we will top them up and show them how they turned out.
All right.
What do you think?
They look delicious.
Think he'll like it?
Yes.
I think he'll like it.
Well, he's not here. Can we have some?
Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna eat these. And,
Oh, yeah.
when you make them for him, Father's
Definitely.
Day. This would be the best Father's Day meal he's ever had.
Exactly.
I know it. All right, now we're gonna top them with some chili,
All right.
a little bit of coleslaw,
Yum.
and then we're gonna eat.
Yes.
All right, let's do that.
Smells so good.
It does. Little bit of coleslaw.
Never seen them with coleslaw.
There you have it. Carolina smash burgers.
Yum. Let's eat.
Let's eat. Should we say goodbye for now?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, we'll see you next week.
See you next week.